seal, any of 32 species of web-footed aquatic mammals that live chiefly in cold seas and whose body shape, round at the middle and tapered at the ends, is adapted to swift and graceful swimming. There are two types of seals, the earless, or true, seals and the eared seals, which comprise the sea lions and fur seals. In addition to the presence of external ears, eared seals have longer flippers than do earless seals. Also, the fur of eared seals is more apparent, especially in sea lions. Seals are carnivores, eating mainly fish, though some also consume squid, other mollusks, and crustaceans. Unlike other seals, the leopard seal of the Antarctic feeds largely on penguins, seabirds, and other seals, in addition to fish and krill. The main predators of seals are killer whales, polar bears, leopard seals, large sharks, and human beings. 33 species of pinnipeds alive today, most of which are known as seals. Pinnipedia is made up of three main groups: the walrus, which is the only living member of the family Odobinidae, the eared seals of Otaridae, including numerous kinds of fur seal and sea lion, and the earless seals, known as true seals or Phorcyidae. Despite the name, earless seals have ears, they are just hidden beneath the surface of their skin. Pinnipeds can be found on every continent on Earth, though most species occur in cold water environments. Thick layers of fat, also known as blubber, keep the animals warm, in addition to dense fur. Walruses are the exception to the rule, as these large, tusked pinnipeds have nearly hairless bodies. Seals range greatly in size, from the gargantuan southern elephant seal, which can weigh more than a pickup truck, to the relatively slender, 100-pound beagle seal. While there are many differences among the species, all seals have feet shaped like fins. In fact, the word pinniped means fin-footed in Latin. Those fin-shaped feet make them supreme swimmers, and all pinnipeds are considered semi-aquatic marine mammals. This means they must spend some part of their lives on land or sea ice, usually during the mating and birthing seasons. With so much time spent in water, some species like the elephant seals have evolved the ability to hold their breath for up to 2 hours and dive to depths of more than 6,500 feet looking for food. All seals eat other animals, and most rely on fish caught out at sea. But a few species break the mold. For instance, leopard seals make a living hunting down penguins and even other seals. And walruses survive on a diet of clams and other shellfish, which they detect with their highly sensitive whiskers and then suction up from the seafloor with their powerful mouths. All seals must come ashore once a year to breed. Nearly all are gregarious, at least when breeding, with some assembling in enormous herds on beaches or floating ice. Most form pairs during the breeding season, but in some species, such as fur seals, the gray seal, and elephant seals, males, bulls, take possession of harems of cows and drive rival bulls away from their territory. Gestation periods average about 11 months, including a delayed implantation of the fertilized egg in many species. Cows are again impregnated soon after giving birth. Pups are born on the open ice or in a snow layer on the ice. The mother remains out of the water and does not feed while nursing the pups. The young gain weight rapidly, for the cow's milk is up to about 50% fat. Seals have been hunted for their meat, hides, oil, and fur. The pups of harp seals, for example, are born with white coats that are of value in the fur trade. The fur seals of the North Pacific Ocean and the ringed seals of the North Atlantic Ocean have also been hunted for their pelts. Elephant seals and monk seals were hunted for their blubber, which had various commercial uses. Seal hunting, or sealing, was so widespread and indiscriminate in the 19th century that many species might have become extinct if international regulations had not been enacted for their protection. The severe decline of sealing worldwide after World War II and the effects of international agreements aimed at conserving breeding stocks enabled several severely depleted species to replenish their numbers.